Charlie, where are you? Come here, kiddo. Come on. Come, Charlie. Bring the ball. Oh, look what you found. What'd you find? Come here, Charlie boy. Bring the ball. Can you bring the ball? Ow, you got my foot. Hi, Charlie boy. Hello. Hello, my kiddo. What you doing? What you doing, huh? What you doing, kiddo? Get that ball. Oop, I'm getting kind of close. Charlie boy. Hello, say hello. Where'd you go? Who's this? What are you doing?